This video is for anyone who is looking to make more money. You could be a 9-to-5er making salary or hourly pay. You could be a college student in need of a job. You can be an Uber, DoorDash driver, or someone who picks up random gigs to earn more money. You can be an athlete, a musician, or artist looking to earn money while you perfect your craft. As long as you have a valid driver's license, no matter what current situation you are in, and no matter what current financial status you are in, flipping cars for profit is an excellent way for you to earn more money outside of what you're currently doing for work now. If you are a student like I was when I got started, you can flip cars while you're in school instead of working long hours at a job when you really need to focus on studying. If you have a particular trade or skill, you can flip cars to invest in your service-based business. I know a guy, he's a rapper, okay, and that's what he wants to do with his life, and he flips cars full time to pay for everything he needs to become a better rapper. That's great. No matter who you are or where you are in your financial journey, if you need an extra income right away, you can start flipping cars for large profits that will multiply drastically the amount of money you have right now. If flipping cars for profit is something that interests you, please click the link in the bio. I want you to have the tools and the knowledge to get started right away. Stay wealthy. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you soon.